Here we have a universal laptop AC adapter, the DRAC90. This product is perfect for those of you who have a broken AC adapter, need a spare charger, or perhaps just need an adapter with a higher power rating. This adapter can power up to 90 watts for your laptop, and also has a 2.1 amp USB port for quickly charging your USB electronic devices. The DRAC90 comes with 10 different tips to connect to hundreds of different laptop models for different laptop manufacturers. The back side of the packaging contains only a small list of the many different compatible laptops, while a manual inside contains a more comprehensive list. Now we'll demonstrate how to set up the AC adapter. First, flip through the manual or the back side of the packaging and be sure to pick out the correct laptop model. The tip associated with your laptop model will be in the instruction manual. Once you have the correct corresponding tip, grab your AC adapter, and you'll notice that towards the end here there's a slight groove on one side. Match that up with your tip and connect it like so. Once you have the correct tip on the AC adapter, you just plug it into your laptop's charging slot. On top of charging your laptop, the DRAC90 can simultaneously charge USB-powered devices with its 2.1 amp USB port. Such devices include an Apple iPad 2, Nook, Kindle Fire, numerous cell phones and tablets, or any high-powered electronic device requiring a 2.1 amp USB port. The USB slot on the DRAC90 is located on the side. By plugging in this Apple USB charging cable, we can charge this iPhone 4S at the same time as our laptop. So here's the universal Duracell laptop AC adapter, all packaged up and ready to go. We also have our universal DRAC-DC 5101, which works for both AC and DC outlets. This is perfect for people on the go, and it also has a standard USB port. Both of these units are available at ebats.com.